Welcome to Sip Niagara's world's largest Caesar bar, and this is one of my favorite recipes. So we're doing a vegan Caesar. Yes, that is correct, a vegan Caesar with Walter's Vegan Caesar Mix. We're gonna add this in. Next, we're adding in some Tito's vodka, followed by a little bit of Monin basil. This tastes awesome. You just need a little titch. Next, a little bit of Caesar rim from Walter's, Matt and Steve's asparagus brine, a little bit of Gray's sweet chili, and we're gonna shake this bad boy up and top it off. Boom. The flavor on this is intense. Oh, and that basil cuts right through, which is amazing. Look at that froth. Next, I'm gonna add in some asparagus, and who doesn't love an olive? Welcome to Sip Niagara.